Hey guys, it's Midlife here today. This is and this is my dad's pocket watch he got for me. This pocket watch he got for me. And we're gonna box it. So let's do this quick. Unplug our headphone and let's unbox it. So this is it right here. This is it right here. So we're gonna box it. It looks like it's all wooden, and then the box is all wooden, and then we have that, take that off, and then do that, and then pull it off again. We have a Selecta pocket watch. I got this when I was 8 from my dad. I'm gonna hypnotize people with this no cheating. So, watch I just hypnotize myself. So, has my initials right here. As you can see, BRF stands for Blake Randall Fowler. And now we're going to put this back in. So, oops, crack anything.